a list of the most corrupt politicians in Nigeria. Sit down. Yes. Yes. Where's the king of comedy? Master, where are you? Where's Anova? Master said we need to treat this issue. I was just told that I'm going to perform for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, my son came here and did his album launch. That you want to treat corruption, you have to start from this kind of level. This is corruption. What I say? Come and tell me I'll come and do 2 minutes for a comedy show. During Star Trek, what do I do? I'll just open my mouth and I'll go away. Sorry. It is only in this country, I keep telling people, yes, it is only in this country, ladies and gentlemen, that somebody will see you and ask you, how is your father, how is your mother, how is your sister, how is your brother, how is your uncle and your auntie. Then you go back to ask you, how is the family. So where are these people from? Where are they from? You can know your family. It's only in this country that a musician will build a house 2 years after he said that they gave him quick notice. Yeah. We don't know how it came in the first place. In this country, wonderful people, they are saying he increased it to 145. Even the money went to buy fuel, they told him they have removed subsidy. He said, who removed the subsidy? The fellow said, Excellency, can I remove the subsidy? They said, yeah? Are you sure they did not back this subsidy too? You know, this country is a wonderful place. I keep telling people, I said, there's nothing you can do. A houseman is a houseman anytime, any day, whether you like it or not. Yes, my security man was washing my car and was singing. I became worried because the kind of song he was singing for an Aboki is too upgraded. He was singing for the Belos. By the way, I had to call myself up before things began also in my house. I said, no, sir. I said, what did you sing? He said, that's what good we know to sing about. I said, singer. So okay, don't make me the shame. I said, singer, there's no shame here. He said, as I don't get a lot, no be me. I said, if you don't get a lot, no be you, who get the account? Who has the account that has the lot? You know? And then he was singing a song too by Whiskey. I want your body sleeping in my bed. I called him and said, no, sir, you have to stop this singing. I don't fear. Sing this song for me. So I like, I get the body sleeping in my head. I said, you want to worry whether the body will sleep for your head? But the house man is a house man anytime, any day, whether you like it or not. And that's why I'm not too surprised. You know, things go small, but after a while they will set. The only problem I have with one is, you know, His Excellency, we're in a new age, and you are remembering things of the past. When you go to Germany and go to West Germany, you come back to Nigeria 2 months after, you call out one state to Angola state. You go there one day, you will stand up and say, fellow citizens of Nigeria, I, Dr. Mele Goodluck Jonathan. Ladies and gentlemen, that's my time.
Okay. Thank you. Please switch on the lights. I don't like that person. Switch on the lights. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. I'm sorry I won't shout so loud because when you are big, you are big. Yes, I'm happy to be here tonight. If not for anything, at least to wear Agbada for the first time in a concert. See my fans. Hello. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, I don't know. Do you know my name? What's my name? So I'm not good for this side. What's my name? Boss Ali, you know me. Eh? Where Boss Ali, he can't go on wedding. All those bands who they sing for wedding now, they don't sing any other song. There's no even sing. I give a little penny, a bossako. Awareo, Capere, Kawamatu, everybody asked so. About me, Alibaba, Iwatia, Weja, Kiloshele, when you used to call me on my cell phone. They don't add new song now. About me, Baba, or Timori, about me, Alibaba, what's up, Alibaba, Kiloshele, Alisa, I don't want to go there. Baby, you don't want to go there. Yeah, okay, you said, only over, you let me. Please don't judge me. Don't judge me. So, very soon, I see the judging. The judging that, brother of life, I will follow you 2 years, you know, follow me. This is not street boss. Bros, I'm not your sis. I don't see for trip before you. Because, see, bros, because the man is in trouble. They don't play this song for Anambra State. Yeah, don't jump this way, small boy. Hey, small boy, song, big man. All I need, you don't see all I need, where's it possible? The devil's quite sick. And then what is it they do? Grammys for Nigeria. Because it's like a boat, you have to choose an artist to feature in when a man loves you on the list. Because he won't choose King Basiwa. Let me just start for you. When a man loves to move King Basiwa just start for you. So many mother come in to you, that's all. So many I'm in the sea, I need to see you. Good night. I don't want to do that tonight. Wait. I should do this. Where now? DJ, wait. Where's the DJ? So big. DJ, wait. And he wants me to do this joke. I'm going to finish this song. That man, they collect 2.5 with a brand for show. Olamide, they collect 3.5 with beg. Everyone say, what's the way Olamide sing, you know, sing. Then he start. Come on, let you come on, it's a logo. Ain't no more, moving, go to the Moba, because they say, no, they can play DJ. Americans are only 1 year. Then I know that I ought you, babe. Is it too late to say sorry now? Sorry. This is everybody. Everybody, I know. Every day you walk. Now, me and I need trouble. I went to the London, second London, not far from here. As an adventure, I was in one friend there. I said, I don't want to meet again. And he said, go. I said, I don't care about. He said, go. I didn't want to advise him. He said, can you black? I said, he said, get it. If you believe, you go defeated. Stand up. They are facing it. I said, baby girl. I said, the way they make me feel like waiting like that. Oh, I know that we're not late. Mommy, you raise up. See, now you be my okay. Take you in there. Shout out to my okay. I said, fine girl. I said, see, this is the way I get. He will take away your sorrow. Everything we get down. I said, what? He said that. I said, see, now chronically love you, the baby. So, yeah. And then the girl, I said, can I be say, we do my person, mama. She said, excuse me, Kenny Black. I said, I did this girl for me. She said, Kenny Black, my boyfriend is here. I said, who? She said, Dr. Sick. I said, Dr. Sick here, what okay? She said, let me tell you something. You see it? He said, my boyfriend like a melody and my baby, but I'm singing like, na. I have been in the crowd for where I been. I'm gonna be DJ Big and excuse me, dance. And then you look, right there on the battle. He said, let's go. I started the following it up. She said, see you sitting in the corner, wearing the shagabana, waving the hammer. For where they are begin to cry. Yeah, I say, yeah, 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 yeah. See, I said, mercies of the Lord come down to your children. I said, auntie, I said, auntie, I said, why you carry fire for your head, you? I said, fine, yeah, talk to me, oh mama. He said, excuse me, because I didn't get ready for you. I didn't see you sort out. I didn't get face to face. I said, what's up, Orira da. Orira manyama. I never got send me from the jeep. I said, the drive to the person, Kenny Black. I said, she said, I wanna go. She said, Kenny Black, is this your motto? I called the phone, I said, I don't believe you. I said, don't judge this side. Swabba, it's time to begin man. You must have it today. Swabba, you can't see. Let's see for no this swabba. I say, I didn't see. Nobody will no free to make. He said, oh my God, get it back. I said, well, this is see. Boy, you want that I want. Passing out what I need. I said, you want to say marriage? I say like that. And the mama say, where you go? I said, no. I said, I feel the spirit, please. Let me get some mechanic back. Oh, you said you love me now. I said, see, I say, okay. Shebi, I've been begging you, don't want me. You see me talking to Ali Baba. You tell me, say, you said any back, I'm kill myself. I say, if you die, it will just be double water for you. I don't know.